little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in the dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silence.
The camera stopped recording at some point. I don't know when, but this is an update on the tree, I'm assuming. Also, I'm watching the movie Noelle from Disney Plus. I watched it last year. It came out last year. It's really, really good. So that's what's playing in the background.
Stars go by, yet in thy dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. How silently, how silently.
This is the second time it stopped recording. I don't know when it stopped recording. This is the continuance. This is how it's looking so far. And once we're done, we'll do a close-up so you can see every single detail of the tree and every single ornament.